We start the building planner and select the button Create your own building structure. If desired, you can give now the project a name to save it on the local PC or after registration on the Partner Hub in the cloud. You can access the Partner Hub after registering and then logging in at the top right of the screen. With the Add Room button, it can be chosen between a variety of room types, rectangular, L&T shape, as well as cruciform. The room templates are placed with drag and drop. The first room is e.g. a rectangular, then an L-shaped room, and finally another rectangular one. You can resize and arrange the rooms. It is recommended to leave a small gap between the walls that makes it easier to place windows and doors. Overlapping rooms are not possible. Now the rooms are provided with doors and windows. For this, you take the appropriate symbols and place them on the wall of the corresponding room. If you click on a window or door, you can set on the right side width and adjust the name. It is also possible to create a room freehand using the draw symbol. To do this, place the pen on a corner of the surface to be drawn, next corner point marked by pressing the left mouse button. After additional points, the pen must be placed finally at the beginning of the drawn area. Through this, a closed space is created like this. Please note, a freely drawn room element cannot have doors and windows. Once activated, the dimensioning symbol shows the size of the rooms as well as the area in square meters when you move the mouse pointer over a room. For example, a room can now be reduced in size to adjust the dimensions. The zoom slider allows you to adjust the size of the floor plan on the worksheet. This can also be done using the wheel on the computer mouse. The crossed double arrow activates the auto zoom. The floor plan is shown in a more appropriate size on the screen. Rooms can be copied and deleted. Same features can also be done by using the symbols in the space. Two further symbols allow you to change the shape of the room again and to rotate the room gradually by 90 degrees. To ensure that there is no impermissible overlapping between the rooms, this might be moved beforehand. If you click on a free space in the worksheet, you get an overview of the rooms and floors on the right with the known functions rename, delete, and copy, as well as an overview of room dimensions and assign windows or doors after selecting a room. If you click on a free area in the worksheet again, you can use the Add New Floor button on the top right to get a section through the building with the option of adding additional floors in the upper and lower floor areas using the plus sign. You can now rename this floor. After confirmation, it appears in the main window initially without rooms. You can also delete floors, and an existing floor with existing rooms can also be copied with an identical floor plan. Final changes, e.g. the room name, are possible again in the main window after confirmation. Please keep in mind, in each part of this tool you find on the upper right side a link to the related video tutorials. Finally, press the next button at the bottom right. Option: Import of a floor plan. Instead of drawing a floor plan, it is also feasible to import it. You can import a floor plan in 3 steps. Upload floor plan as PDF or JPEG file. Changing the scale. To do this, draw a horizontal line on a wall with a known length, e.g. side length of the room, or door width, and enter this value in meters. If necessary, the transparency of the imported floor plan can be adjusted. What for is it useful? In order to be able to carry out the next steps in this tool, a room must now be drawn for each room on top of the imported floor plan to be included in the planning. The imported floor plan can therefore be visible in the background with reduced transparency as an aid. You can delete this floor plan again. With Shutdown, you go one step back. Option: Import of building information modeling files. In addition to the import of PDF or JPEG floor plans, building information modeling files with IFC format can be imported. Prerequisite is that this contains information relevant to the floor plan. Otherwise, there will be a corresponding error message. The import can be carried out from the Building Planner homepage or here from the Building Structure page. After the import, a floor plan with individual rooms is available. Properties that have already been assigned, such as room name, are visible. The rooms can also be edited, such as rotating or copying.